to create a Gmail account without phone number. Let me show you. Open your web browser and write Gmail sign up. Click on Create a Gmail account. Now click on Create an account. Here on the Gmail page, enter your first and last name. Enter yours basic information, then click on Next button. Now choose your Gmail address and click on Next button. Now write a password. Rewrite yours password same as you write first, and click on Next button. Now add yours recovery email address, the Antathea email address for your account security purpose. Now click on Next button. After this review, yours new email address and click on Next button. Now read the privacy term and click on button I agreed. Here is yours. New Gmail account is ready now. You can take overview of yours account and you can now set yours profile picture or change profile picture. Choose yours profile pic as which pic you do, like choose it hope. Like my video. For more informative videos, please like and subscribe me and press bell icon for latest updates. Thank you.